Is it time to buy or sell NIO stock? In this video, we will delve deeply into NIO. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 19th of March, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 14th of March, 2025, our system has ranked NIO as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 2.67. Let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced a gain of 5.51%. This equates to an average return of 1.38% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock is currently positioned in the upper section of a broad and weak upward trend in the short term. This scenario often presents an excellent selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction towards the lower section of the trend is anticipated. A breakout above the upper trend line at $5.26 would indicate a stronger rate of increase. Analyzing the current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 8% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from a decline of around 10% to an increase of nearly 10%. In terms of the longer-term outlook, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of negative 1.53%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary between a decline of 31.40% and an increase of 36.35% over the coming year. In current terms, this would position the future price between $3.55 and $7.05. Our latest daily update for NIO includes the headline: NIO stock price ended at $5.17 on Wednesday after losing 0.385%. The NIO stock price fell by 0.385% on the last day, Wednesday, the 19th of March, 2025, from $5.19 to $5.17. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 2.94%, ranging from a low of $5.10 to a high of $5.25. Throughout this period, the price has experienced ups and downs, resulting in an 18.85% gain over the last 2 weeks. Notably, volume declined on the last day alongside the stock, which is typically a positive indicator, as volume should follow the stock's movement. On the last day, trading volume decreased by 40 million shares, with a total of 37 million shares bought and sold, amounting to approximately $193.77 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $7.71, while the lowest was $3.61. Currently, the price is 32.94%, or $2.54, below the 52-week high, and 92.28%, or $61.82, below the all-time high on the 11th of January, 2021, when the price peaked at $66.99. NIO is currently at a pivotal moment as it prepares to release its fourth quarter earnings report on the 21st of March, 2025. Analysts are closely watching this upcoming report against a backdrop of a challenging year that saw the stock drop 10% amidst fierce competition in China's electric vehicle market. With a projected loss of 42 cents per share and revenues of $2.85 billion, performance in the report could significantly influence investor sentiment. Meanwhile, the company is innovating with its battery swapping technology, positioning it as a potential game changer in addressing charging challenges. Investors are optimistic, interpreting the combination of new product offerings and recovery momentum in the Chinese market as a sign that NIO remains undervalued, currently trading at 0.9 times its next 12 months sales. For those looking at stock performance, a positive earnings report could signal a boost in NIO's stock price in both the short and long term, fostering confidence in its growth strategy and operational resilience. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, the 21st of November, 2024, it was reported that Bank of America Securities assigned NIO a neutral grade with a hold action. On Monday, the 28th of October, 2024, it was reported that Wells Fargo assigned NIO an equal weight grade with an upgrade action. On Monday, the 28th of October, 2024, it was reported that Macquarie assigned NIO an outperform grade with an upgrade action. On Monday, the 30th of September, 2024, it was reported that Citigroup assigned NIO a buy grade with a hold action. On Monday, the 30th of September, 2024, it was reported that Morgan Stanley assigned NIO an overweight grade with a hold action. Analysts have assigned a general sell rating to NIO stock. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell as well. Regarding return on investment, analysts also provide a strong sell rating for the stock. The following signals have been identified for NIO. NIO stock is showing buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, which suggests a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal indicated by the relationship between the two averages, where the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. In the event of a downward correction, support is expected at $5.05 and at $4.49. A drop below these levels would trigger sell signals. Furthermore, a buy signal has emerged from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. However, some negative signals have also been detected, which may impact the short-term outlook. A sell signal was triggered from a pivot top point on Tuesday, March 11, 2025, and thus far, the stock has declined by 0.96%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Volume has decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which lowers overall risk, as volume typically aligns with price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal, pivots, sell signal from 7 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 7 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 10 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 12 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 21 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal from 10 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 8 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 3 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for NIO. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $4.79 and $4.44. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, as breaking this level may lead to a decline toward the next support level. In this case, NIO finds support just below today's level at $4.79. If this level is breached, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $4.44 and $4.36. This stock may experience significant price movements throughout the day, indicating volatility, and with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to be high risk. During the last day, the stock fluctuated by 15 cents between the high and low, representing a change of 2.94%. Over the last week, the stock has experienced an average daily volatility of 4.98%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for NIO, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, often referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is losing money. Established companies can face downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, persistently negative PE ratios may suggest insufficient profits and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2024 is expected on the 21st of March, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at negative 0.420. Keep an eye on these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now, let's discuss some potential day trading levels for NIO. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for NIO is at $5.19. If you do not currently own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level worth considering for swing trading. On the downside, NIO faces its first support level at $4.79. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for NIO from multiple analyst sources is to sell. The most recent insider trade for this stock occurred more than 3 months ago. The latest transaction took place on the 24th of February, 2016, when Citigroup Inc. executed an insider sale of 850 shares of variable rate demand preferred shares. Our recommended stop loss is set at $4.96, reflecting a decline of 4.13%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, contributing to a heightened level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal indicated by a pivot top identified 6 days ago. Is NIO stock a good buy? Several short-term signals, along with a generally positive trend, suggest that the current level may present a buying opportunity, as there is a fair chance for NIO stock to perform well in the near future. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Thursday, the 20th of March, we anticipate NIO to open higher by 330 cents, starting at $5.17. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before purchasing or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on the information found on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day, with warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.